Going through the Narrows again. I'm going to get a new camera today. It's called the Canon 80D. I've got an 80D here at the end of the day. I'll have ADD. I will have ADD at the end of the day. I'm used to the Nikon from before, the D70s, and anyway. Wow, that's an awesome cable there. That's where that cable hits on the cable housing. All right. Rob's camera, I was wondering where you're located at in that center.
We're in the center. We're on the corner with 100th Gravy Lake Drive. We're here in the parking lot with the Chase Tank.
Okay, you're on the corner then. I'll head back. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I just came from Roby's camera shop and I purchased a Canon 80D with an 18 to 135 millimeter lens, a microphone, directional microphone. What an awesome deal. It's in the bag right there. Can't hardly wait to get it. Can't wait to get it home. The Canon. Oh, it just won't want to come out of the box right now. Okay, beautiful sunlight. I'm looking to get down to the waterfront for the railroad tracks. I've got the battery charging, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible to check on how this is working.